Hi everyone, it's Alex from Risk Academy, and in this video I want to talk about the most famous, most common risk management frameworks and guidelines and standards. And the question I often get asked is which one is the best, which one is useful, and my answer to this is very simple. I wouldn't have a clue, because in my last CRO roles, or head of risk, head of insurance, head of internal audit roles, I have not used or looked at any risk management standards. I mean, I had fun with them and I played with them and I used them when I was very junior in risk management. And I very quickly realized what a waste of time they are. It's basically like a bad version of somebody trying to summarize the underlying sciences of probability theory, decision science, neuroscience, or behavioral economics, and a lot of other relevant to risk management sciences. Actually a group of people who most of us know who they are, they're trying to kind of do a very haphazard summary of these different sciences into a single standard. So it's not useful in any stretch of an imagination. It has no practical application whatsoever. I mean, you really can't implement risk management into decision making by following any of the standards or guidelines available in the world right now. So which one is better? But they're all the same. Who knows which one is better? I mean, who cares? It's not a thing. For a practicing risk manager, you don't seek guidance in the standards or guidelines or frameworks published by government agencies or international standardization bodies, or God forbid, PwC through their COSO association. They just don't matter. Instead of wasting your time trying to look through nuggets of information in those standards which are not designed to be useful, you should look beyond the standards and look at the underlying sciences. So there are books and textbooks on decision science, and I'm not exaggerating. Any textbook on decision science that has a quantitative risk element to it will teach you more about risk management than all of the standards combined. Any book on probability theory will teach you more about risk management and risk analysis than all of the standards combined. Any book on neuroscience or behavioral economics will give you so many amazing nuggets of information that will completely reshape your perception of what risk management should look like and how it is actually can be implemented into decision making, planning, forecasting, performance management, and other business processes within the organization. So don't waste your time on risk management standards and guidelines and marketing publications from Big Four or brokerage houses. Go to the source. Learn from the actual underlying sciences, and there are three that are fundamental to what risk management is. These are the three elephants that the turtle of risk management stands upon: probability theory, decision science, and neuroscience, or maybe kind of the behavioral economics, which is the more user-friendly version of neuroscience. Go to the source, learn from the source, and you'll realize very quickly how irrelevant and useless risk management standards are when you know what the underlying science behind the ideas in the standards were to begin with. Let me know what you think about this controversial message. Write in the comments below. Subscribe, like, share on social media, and I'll see you on the Risk Academy channel. See ya.